Like I mentioned last night, companies with high dollar share prices are finally embracing the virtues of the stock split. Take Cramer fave Chipotle, which reported another spectacular quarter over a month ago. Just as important, 2 months ago, the board approved a 50-for-1 split, which will make this $3,000 plus stock a lot more accessible, as I know you want. With the stock currently down more than 5% from its all-time high earlier this month, I think this could be a really good entry point for a stock that never seems to quit. Don't take it from me. Let's speak to Brian Niccol. He's the chairman and CEO of Chipotle. You get a better read. This is ready. Mr. Welcome back to Mad Money.
Yeah, Jim, great to be here.
So, Brian, we are stuck in some situation where I read a restaurant news story. 80% of America thinks that fast food is now a luxury. What the heck has happened here?
You know, look, I definitely think consumers are getting to be more thoughtful about where they want to spend their money when it comes time to eating out. That's why at Chipotle we've always been focused on great ingredients, great culinary, you know, terrific customization, and obviously we always talk about great throughput. And I think when we stay focused on those things, people feel good about spending their $10, $15 with Chipotle.
But that's what's so amazing to me. It's got to be the health and the food and the people, or else you would be way outside the realm of what people can afford in this country now.
Yeah, that's right. I mean, we've spent a lot of time making sure that, you know, the bowls, the burritos, you know, obviously they're big. You get exactly what you want. Whatever diet you may have, right. Keto, Whole30, whatever it is, however you want to eat, vegetarian, you can get great culinary always from Chipotle. And our people do a great job, I think, of serving it up every time, every single day.
Now, you mentioned big. Obviously, we've got this TikTok troubles, I would say, where some people are filming and some people are saying, hey, listen, give me, I want something big. What leverage does a customer have over a very seasoned worker who wants to do the right thing for the company and right thing for the customer?
Yeah, I mean, look, the whole thing is kind of crazy to me.
It is.
We've always said we want to give people great portions. We want to give them what they want. And our team members.
You've not shrunk the portions.
No, we never have. Like, from the beginning of time with Chipotle, I think there were billboards that said burritos as big as your head. Like, that's never changed. And our teams, they are focused on giving people what they want. So the whole thing's a little silly. It actually kind of really bums me out when people, frankly, do this videoing thing, because it's like, it's a little rude to our team members. And, you know, our team members, their desire is to give our customer a great experience. Like, that's what they want to do. There's nothing better than our team members giving people the bowl or the burrito that they want. And so, you know, hopefully that's what people are getting. I know that's what our teams want to provide. Okay,
well, I finished half my chicken al pastor, saved the rest for dinner today. But other people are saying, well, listen, there's less chicken al pastor. And I said, no, that can't be. It's the same amount. And then I started thinking, maybe if you order out, that you're not looking in the eye of the worker, and the worker does. I'm trying to figure it out, Brian.
I don't know. I mean, if you're in our restaurant in person, you know how this goes, Jim. All you got to do is look at our team member, and, you know, if you're like, hey, can I get a little more rice? Right. You just give them a little nod, and more than likely, the guys give you a little more rice.
That's absolutely
the chicken, true. You know, they want to give them a great portion of chicken. I, like you, love the chicken al pastor. Right. Whenever I go into the restaurant, I see people getting great portions. I see a lot of happy people.
Would you ever do it all you can eat like they did the shrimp at Red Lobster?
No.
You don't want to go bankrupt?
We're not going. We're not going all you can eat. Okay. We are going great ingredients, great culinary, great bowls.
Okay, so everyone knows the food tastes great, and we're willing to pay up. Obviously, even in California, they pay. What I think people don't know is the engine. And I know in your conference call you talked about an outfit in Boston that did so many more when they did for that key 15 minutes. And then right before we started filming, you talked about another outfit doing 15 minutes. It's that crunch time that really determines how well you guys do.
Yeah, look, I had the opportunity before we sat down here to visit a handful of restaurants, and it was just really exciting to see. You know, as a company, we're focused on throughput.
Right.
And I had a couple managers share with us, you know, in 15 minutes, they're doing 50 transactions. 55 transactions, 60 transactions.
You got to explain how hard that is.
This is what it's so.
Because in 15 minutes, at my restaurant, if I did 10.
Well, look, this is why it's so important that our teams are staffed, deployed correctly. They do the prep in advance. They're ready to go, because then they're able to give the customer exactly what they want and move them through really quickly. And, you know, it's really fun to see when you're doing 250 transactions in an hour. The teams are getting bonuses. They're fired up. It's really fun to see.
Well, how about this stock split? What does it mean? Do you hear people buzzing about it when you're at the stores?
Yeah, you know, what is fun to see is people have the ability to buy Chipotle shares, but it's, you know, they're buying pieces, right? Yeah. And so there's a lot more excitement when you can buy a whole share or get a couple shares. And it's great to see, because some folks, I mean, literally, that have owned our stock and have been a manager for many years, they're cashing it in to buy homes, and that's what makes this place.
That's America. That's the old
special.
America, maybe. I don't know.
That's the Chipotle that we're trying to create.
Yeah, and that's what matters.
Yeah.
Now, let me ask you, 7,000. That's just a huge burden upon you. But you think that that's what you obviously need that many, right?
Well, look, I think there is the demand for it.
Right.
And, today we have 3,500 restaurants. We definitely see a path to 7,000. I'm guessing as we get closer to that, we might see a path that goes beyond that just in the United States.
And you want that many great people, because that's the hardest thing everyone tells me. Trying to get that many great leaders, that many linebackers, that many captains.
What was really awesome, Jim, is we just had our all-manager conference. We brought in every restaurant general manager, above store leader, and some apprentices that are getting close to being promoted, and anybody that worked at our company for more than 20 years. So everybody came together, and I'll tell you what, the energy and the excitement of developing other people is genuine. I might have mentioned this to you. In the back of our restaurants, we have a career roadmap.
Yes, this is great. This is
a
a great story.
I think, really powerful, because people that join our company may come in first working on the grill, but when they walk into the back of the restaurant and do training, they'll see this career roadmap. And in some of the restaurants, the general manager or the field leader has put pictures of people that have left the restaurant and moved on to these jobs of general manager, field leader, team director. And it's almost kind of like their own family tree of development. And it's really exciting. It's really powerful, because when people see others that have succeeded like that, they want to be a part of it.
Well, this is like my executive producer had the burrito today, Regina Gilgan. It's possible that the person who made the burrito could end up making a huge amount of money in stock in Chipotle, and maybe at another Chipotle, maybe that one. This happens still.
This happens all the time, and it's really fun to be a part of it and celebrate it, without a doubt.
Well, that's what we should do. We should celebrate it and celebrate you guys, celebrate your team, celebrate Jack Hartung, because this is who's the CFO, because this is what it's supposed to be about. Thank you.
I agree.
Thank you very much. That's Brian Niccol, the chairman and CEO of Chipotle, and get the stock before it splits. Mint Money's back after the break.
Coming up, in league with NVIDIA, this AI play has lapped the market. Can our next guest get your motor running? Stick with Cramer. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.